Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0128, indicates a cooling system malfunction in the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. This code is associated with the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and reflects issues related to the engine coolant temperature readings or thermostat operation. A properly functioning cooling system is crucial for maintaining engine temperature within the optimal range, improving fuel efficiency, and preventing overheating. Radiator fans, coolant, temperature sensors, and the thermostat play significant roles in this system. The location of relevant components includes the radiator at the front of the vehicle, with the thermostat typically located near the engine block. When faced with error code P0128, it's essential to proceed with a systematic approach to identify the underlying cause of the malfunction. DTC P0128 refers to a cooling system malfunction within the Honda Pilot. The primary components involved in this fault include the radiator, thermostat, and engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensors. The radiator is located at the front of the vehicle and is responsible for dissipating heat from the engine. The thermostat, generally situated near the engine block, regulates coolant flow based on temperature, ensuring optimal engine performance. ECT sensors monitor engine temperatures, providing data to the PCM for precise control of the engine cooling system. If these components malfunction, it can lead to poor engine performance and potentially severe engine damage. Understanding their roles and locations aids in effective troubleshooting. Several factors may cause DTC P0128 to trigger. A faulty thermostat is a common issue, as it can stick open or closed, leading to erratic engine temperatures and consequently impacting performance. Additionally, one or both of the ECT sensors could fail, causing inaccurate temperature readings that prevent the PCM from controlling engine cooling efficiently. Wiring problems, including frayed or corroded connections at either sensor, can disrupt signal flow, resulting in misleading data being sent to the PCM. These issues can ultimately lead to serious engine complications if left unaddressed. Identifying the specific cause is essential for accurate repairs. Drivers may notice several symptoms associated with DTC P0128. The check engine light will likely illuminate, signaling a malfunction that requires attention. Lower fuel efficiency could also become apparent, as improper engine cooling often leads to suboptimal combustion conditions. In more severe cases, the engine may overheat, resulting in potential engine damage if not addressed promptly. Other signs might include fluctuating temperature gauges or abnormal engine operation noises. Recognizing these symptoms early on can help prevent further complications and facilitate timely repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0128 involves checking the radiator fan control command. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Using the Honda Diagnostic System (HDS) tool, clear any existing DTCs, including P0128. After clearing the DTCs, ensure the blower switch is off to avoid interference. Check the fan high control and fan low control status parameters with the HDS. If both controls are off, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Should the current conditions not match the expected thresholds, wait until the fans are off before continuing. This vital step ensures that the fans operate correctly and helps narrow down potential causes of the cooling system malfunction. The second troubleshooting step involves checking the operation of the radiator fan. Start by observing whether the radiator fan is running continuously. If it is, proceed to the next step to check the fan circuit and relay. However, if the radiator fan does not operate correctly, further diagnostics are required to identify faults in the fan system. This includes examining the electrical connections, fuses, and control signals from the PCM. The status of the radiator fan is crucial because an inoperative fan can lead to overheating issues, reinforcing the importance of this step in the troubleshooting process. In the third step, the focus turns to the radiator fan circuit and relay. Inspect the wiring for any faults, such as broken or frayed wires that could disrupt electrical flow. Next, check the radiator fan relay to ensure it is functioning correctly. If both the circuit and relay are in good condition, it's advisable to consult any authorized service information related to the detected DTCs or symptoms. In cases where issues persist, consider substituting a known good powertrain control module, PCM, to rule out any faults within the control unit that may be causing the cooling system malfunction. This assessment is crucial to ensure that no underlying issues are missed. The final troubleshooting step is the problem verification process. Begin by allowing the engine to cool until the coolant temperature reaches 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius or below. Use the HDS tool to note the values for ECT sensor 1 and ECT sensor 2. After documenting these values, start the engine and let it idle. Observe ECT sensor 1 until its temperature rises at least 34 degrees Fahrenheit, 19 degrees Celsius from the starting temperature. Next, utilize the HDS once more to check the present value of ECT sensor 2 and compare it with the starting value. If ECT sensor 2's temperature has increased by 11 degrees Fahrenheit, 6 degrees Celsius or more, it signifies that the thermostat likely needs replacement. If not, you may encounter intermittent failures, suggesting the system currently operates correctly. In this case, inspect connections at both sensors and the PCM for any loose terminals or poor connections, which could have contributed to the DTC event. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P0128, a final verification is essential to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Begin by rechecking the DTC status using the HDS tool. It is critical to confirm that the previously logged trouble codes have been cleared. Additionally, perform a test drive of the vehicle to ensure that it operates smoothly under typical conditions. Monitor the engine performance and the operation of the cooling system, particularly examining the behavior of the radiator fans and the temperature gauge. A successful verification process will demonstrate the effectiveness of the repairs, providing confidence that the cooling system is functioning properly and any issues have been resolved. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding DTC P0128 and other cooling system issues. Regularly check the coolant level and condition, as proper coolant is essential for maintaining effective heat transfer and preventing overheating. Additionally, inspect all cooling components, including the radiator, hoses, and thermostat, for signs of wear or damage. Timely replacement of the thermostat is crucial, especially considering the role it plays in regulating engine temperature. Keeping these components in good condition can significantly reduce the likelihood of experiencing DTCs and other related problems. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule can help ensure the cooling system remains efficient and functional throughout the vehicle's lifespan. In summary, DTC P0128 indicates a malfunction in the cooling system of the Honda Pilot from 2016 to 2022. A thorough understanding of the components involved, including the radiator, thermostat, and ECT sensors, is crucial to effective troubleshooting. By following the systematic troubleshooting steps outlined, technicians can accurately pinpoint the source of the problem. Additionally, performing final repair verification ensures the issue has been resolved. Preventive maintenance is key to longevity and performance, highlighting the importance of regular checks and timely replacements. By implementing these measures, you can maintain a healthy cooling system and enhance vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!